Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Matre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is subject C Programming Language. First chapter Overview of C Programming Part 3. In this we will learn about variable, variable declaration, initialization, scope of variable and concept of ASCII. Variable. A variable in a simple terms is a storage place which has some memory allocated to it. Basically it is a variable used to store some form of data. Variable is used to store some form of data, and different types of variables require a different types of amount of memory, and it have a same specific set of operation which can be applied on them. So variable is the name of the memory location. It is used to store the data and its value can be changed and it can be reused many times. It is a way to represent a memory location through the symbol so that it can be easily identified. The rules of defining variables are: a variable can have an alphabet, digit and underscore. A variable name can start with a alphabet and underscore only. It can't start with a digit. Third, no white space is allowed within the variable. And the fourth one is a variable name must not be any reserved word or a keyword, that is int, goto, etc. Variable declaration and initialization. Variable declaration. A variable name can consist of alphabet, that is both uppercase and lowercase also, the numbers and the underscore characters. However, the name must not be start with a number because the numbers can be a value. So we cannot give a name of the variable as a number. The syntax of variable is data type and variable name. Data type space variable name. So example is int x. Int is a data type of the variable and x is the name of the variable. So here the x, y, z are the variables of integer data type. And character flat. So flat and ch variable are the type of the character data type. Variable declaration. Initializing a variable means to provide it with a value. So a variable can be initialized and defined in a single statement. That means when we declare the variable, that time we just give the name of the variable. And initialization means we give the name of the variable including its value. So syntax is data type variable name is equals to value. An example is int x is equals to 50, y is equals to 30, etc. And character flag is equals to x and ch is equals to 1. That means we give the value of the variable. That is the variable initialization. Types of variable. There are two types of variable, local variable and global variable. The first type is the local variable. A variable that is declared and used inside a function or block is called local variable. So, its scope is limited to function or a block. So, it can be used outside of the block. So, local variables need to be initialized before use. The scope of the variable within the function where it is declared and initialized, and it can be accessed by outside of the function. For example, here gives the program that is hash include stdio.h void function in curly braces integer x is equals to 10, curly braces complete int main, and within int main there is a function. So function in function block we initialize the variable that is x. It is a local variable. That means x is accessed by only a void function part, not accessed by in the main function block. Global variable. A variable that is declared outside the function or a block is called global variable. It is declared at the starting of the program and it is available to all the function. That means it is not, there is a no limit for the variable. It can be accessed by the another function also and another block also. The example is hash include std.io.h int x is equals to 20. That means we globally declare the variable and this variable is accessed by the any function, function 1, function 2, main function, etc. Scope of variable. A scope is a region of a program and variable scope is a region in a program where a variable is declared and used. So in C, every variable defined in a scope. You can define the scope as a section or a region of a program where a variable has its existence. So moreover, that variable cannot be used or accessed beyond that region. So in C programming, variable declared within a function is different from a variable declared outside of a function. Scope of variable in local variable is variables that are declared within the function block can be used only within the function is called local variables. And local scope is a local scope or a block is a collective program statement put in and declared within the function or block, and the variables lying inside such a blocks are termed as a local variables. So all these locally spaced statements are written by and enclosed within the left and the right curly braces. So there is a provision for nested blocks also in a C, which means there can be a block or a function within another block or a function. So it can be said that variables that are declared within a block can be accessed within that specific block and all other inner blocks of that blocks, but those variables cannot access by outside of the block. Scope of the global variable. Global variables are declared outside of a function block and can be accessed inside the function is called global variable. Global scope. Global variables are defined outside a function or any specific block. It most of the case of the block of the C program. These variables holds their values all through the end of the program and are accessible within any of the functions defined in your program. So any function can access variables defined within the global scope, that is, its availability stays for the entire program after being declared. Concept of ASCII. The full form of ASCII is the American Standard Code for the Information Interchange. It is a character encoding scheme used for the electronics communication. Each character or a special character is represented by some ASCII code, and each ASCII code occupies 7 bits in the memory. In C programming language, a character variable does not contain a character value itself, rather the ASCII values of the character variables. The ASCII value represents the character. The ASCII value represents the character variable in numbers, and each character variable is assigned with the some number range from the 0 to 127. For example, the ASCII value for alphabet A is 65. Here the table showing the ASCII code of that special characters, numbers, alphabets, small alphabets, capital alphabets and special symbols. So there are the total 256 ASCII codes. Thank you.